Okay, we're starting with mini squats. So you're gonna have a chair in front of you just to help with balance. So just place a couple fingers there. Don't necessarily be gripping it for support. Feet hip width apart. You're gonna have your knees coming right over your toes and sit your hips back. Also keep your chest forward. You don't wanna be bending forward as you squat, just straight down as you perform the motion. As you come up, you can squeeze your glutes and your quads to get the most benefit from your squats, and you're going to perform 15 repetitions. Our second exercise is skaters, standing on your left leg. You're going to have a slight bend in your knee and hold that position as you tap the opposite leg to the back corner, as if you were standing in a square. The chair again is in front of you just for balance support, so don't be gripping it, but just place a couple fingers there. And you can engage your core as well to help you balance as you perform this exercise. Most of the work is going to be happening in the standing leg. You should feel your hip, glute muscles firing as well as your quad. So continue this exercise for 15 reps total on the left side with the right foot tapping, and then we will switch sides. Onto skaters standing on the right leg. Again, have a slight bend in the knee, sitting the hip back, knee over the toe. Engage your core as you tap your left foot to the back corner. Again, you should feel this in your right quad and glute muscles. And continue on to finish your 15 reps before we switch exercises. With the same chair setup, you're going to perform side leg raises. So standing on your left leg, slight bend in the knee. This time you're going to bring your leg directly out to the side. Again, you should feel most of the work in the standing leg, but also in the right glute muscle as well. Be sure to maintain an upright position. You don't want to be leaning to the left as you bring your right leg out to the side. Stay standing up straight, and you should feel the right glute muscle activating. Go ahead and switch sides, standing on the right leg. Slight bend in your knee. You're going to lift your left leg directly out to the side. You want to maintain an upright position, so engage your core and don't let your body tilt to the right. You want to stay directly upright. Go ahead and continue the rest of your repetitions till you reach 15, and then we will switch exercises. Take a seat in your chair. You're going to perform seated leg raises. So sitting upright, holding the chair for support. Please engage your core as well as your right quadricep muscle. You're going to squeeze your leg straight and hold that position as you lift the leg and slowly lower back down. So you're lifting your right leg to the height of the left knee and setting it down. You want to maintain that quad squeeze to keep your leg straight during the whole exercise. So if your leg is bending slightly, just go ahead and straighten it out and hold that position as you lift and set your leg back down. You're going to perform 15 reps and then we will switch sides. Go ahead and bend your right knee and straighten the left, and we are going to perform the seated leg raises on the left side. Again, squeeze and engage your core to hold yourself upright and lift the left leg and set it back down. Really, truly maintain that left quad squeeze the entire time and perform slow and controlled movements. Complete 15 repetitions total, and then we will switch exercises. Next up is the seated march. This is a core exercise, so you want to be sitting upright and engaging your core the entire time as you alternate your legs marching in place. So one leg should lift and then you'll pick up the other leg. Just keep that core squeezed the whole time. You can imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. To count one rep, you're going to lift your right leg, set it down, left leg, set it down, and that counts as one repetition. So you'll complete 15 and we'll move on to the next exercise. Last exercise is a quad stretch, so with one chair in front and one behind, you're going to lift your right knee to set the top of your foot on the chair behind you and travel directly downward. Again, the chair in front is just for balance, so just place a couple fingers there. You should feel the stretch on your right quad muscle, and you're just going to hold this position to feel the stretch for a full 15 seconds before you switch sides. Go ahead and switch your chairs so you can perform this on the left side, lifting your left knee to set the top of your foot on the chair behind you, traveling straight down. You'll just have that knee over your toe on the right leg, and hold this stretch for the left quad for a full 15 seconds. Great job completing your first round of exercises. You're going to take a 1-minute break and then repeat all of the exercises for your second set.